Hello everyone, Vase. Welcome back to my channel. And today's video I am going to be showing you how you can make this beautiful basket vase at home. Very easy, beautiful, and quite simple. All the measurements, dimension, and all the steps I took will be in the description box below. Go ahead and check it out if you would like to make yours like mine. A huge thank you to each one of you for subscribing to my channel, because we finally hit 100 subscribers. We are at 135 subscribers, and I hope we keep growing, guys. So thank you, because you like what I do and you give me strength to keep bringing more and better contents to you. And I want to give a huge thank you to my fellow Haitian brother, sister. Ça ka passe, na boule, na grandi, merci, abonnez, en pile love, and please stay safe, stay creative, and keep being amazing, because again, it really means a lot to me to have each one of you here and be able to bring you great contents that you can like and share with all your friends and family so they can have a great time at home. And thank you so much, guys. So I hope you like this video. Show me your support and keep on watching till the end.